Hi, I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com, and I hope many of you are taking the time to learn some new things about your machine. So we have over 3,000 videos on our YouTube channel to help you get through these times when you can't maybe go to the store and ask your normal person, your teacher, your salesperson about your machine if you have questions. So remember, if you just Google your question with your model number, a lot of times our videos will come up. So a couple things that are happening around our place. We're in South Dakota. Our store is here. We are currently open and helping our customers at a distance. But I'm also thankful that my filming studio is actually at home. So when I do film, I do kind of feel like I'm quarantined for a couple days as I spend time with the machine doing a video on every page of its manual. So today we are starting the new videos for the Husqvarna Viking Designer Brilliance 80. So yay, if this is your machine, this is what we're filming. So I have a little extra time, so I'm going to get caught up on videos. So just something that I have been thinking about, and how do I keep my mind focused? I have a little mantra that I say to myself, and just as simple. It says, I am, I can, I will, I do. And with that, I can kind of stay focused. I've been limiting my time watching the news. I do check it every morning just to see if anything has changed. But I know a lot of you are sewing, and if you have maybe some charity projects that you have kind of had off to the side, this would be a great time to spend some of that time working on it. Now, a lot of you have asked how you can support us. I know we have a lot of free content out there that is available all over the world, and I'm so glad that we've had time to produce 10 years worth of videos on models Bernina, Pfaff, Viking, Brother, and Singer. But we also have 6 online courses. So if you would like to support us, purchase one of those online courses. When you do so, they are yours to keep forever. So we have our Stitching Cosmos class. So this is an example. Actually, all of these are examples. This is up because this is the one we did as a Viking Stitching Cosmos. Great way to learn all your decorative stitches, as well as learning accessory feet that you might have purchased or don't even know exist. So this would be a great way to support your local store by purchasing some feet that you learn about from our course and buy them through your local store. I'm sure they'll ship them to you if you are not allowed to be out of your house. So that is a great way. We go through so many different things, over 6 to 8 hours of content depending on which of your machines you are buying the course for. We have our Embroidery Essentials online course. So if you have an embroidery machine that you're not fully using to its fullest, definitely check out that one. We're putting links below this YouTube video where you can go check those out. And then I also have a couple Bluprint classes. So Bluprint is a great place for not just sewing classes, but crocheting and knitting, cooking, cake decorating, woodworking, photography, lots of different things on there. So check out those as well. When you use our links to Bluprint, we do get credit for your purchase. So once again, we say thank you. Thank you to all of our online students. Thank you so much for being part of our lives and supporting us. And I hope that this will encourage you to maybe try a new technique and try something new. I can come right to your sewing room, and you can push play and repeat as many times as you like. So we will get through this. I was reading something today that there are going to be some celebrating once we get past the hump, and there's going to be reopenings of stores. I know for us, we're doing a lot of sample sewing at our store, so we're going to have new things for you to come in and see, and I think that's going to be something around at all the stores that we're going to get to see. So do what you're supposed to do and take care of yourself. If you're sewing, enjoy this time. This is time that we were blessed with, so use it wisely.